Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 17th, 2023. Already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic, in Dutch they call it cijferblok, and the binary. Yes, you are interested in the binary. Number 6769. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so let's start ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so let's start O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then, well. We have here 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second column, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.